Yay! They worked! Good morning. It is Saturday and I'm back in the studio. I'm working on some Christmas baubles. I've talked about this in the vlog for a few weeks, but now today I'm finally printing some designs. It took me so long to decide what prints or what designs I was going to try and test print on the ceramic baubles, but we're finally here. We've got a few designs to try and today I'm going to see how they look. Hi, I'm Leanne, the creator behind Frame Your World Co. I design and create unique handcrafted gifts and art that bring a touch of inspiration and joy to your everyday life. My goal is to make meaningful pieces that brighten your world and help you find that perfect personal gift for any occasion. On this channel, I share behind the scenes vlogs, tips and for my creative journey, everything from designing new products to exploring different art techniques. If you're into art or just love seeing how handmade products come to life, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join me as I grow my business and bring more creativity into the world. Alright, so today I'm setting up my Christmas bauble designs in the Sawgrass Design Studio. I've been using this software more and more, and although it's taken me a bit of time to get comfortable with it, I do feel like I'm starting to find my groove. First things first, I'm uploading my designs here and making sure that they're the right size for the ceramic baubles. I love that Sawgrass lets me adjust each design exactly how I want it, but sometimes getting the sizing right can be a bit fiddly. One thing I've noticed is that it's really important to really upload your designs in Photoshop before you upload it into Sawgrass. Here I spent the first little while trying to do it in Sawgrass, but I found that it kept crashing, and so I'm not sure what I was doing wrong, but I found the best way around this was to pop the designs into Photoshop and then upload it as one full piece in Sawgrass. Designs are set and saved, so I think we're ready to print. For the initial test designs, I've gone with a few festive favourites, so I've chosen the gingerbread, Christmas pudding, a little robin with berries and a Christmas tree, and then we've also got a classic red car with a Christmas tree on top. Thanks for sticking with me through this setup process. Now let's get into printing some ceramic baubles and see how they turned out. This is looking positive. Excited to see how these turn out. They come out a little bit dull in the print ink, but I think that's common, or maybe it's not. I need to look into it. But we're going to test it anyway because I think they still look cute. And I've got a few of these ceramic baubles that we're going to print and test. So we have a few designs to print out. I think these might be some of my favourite little designs I've done for Christmas anyway. We've got the robin and berries, pudding, Christmas tree, car with Christmas tree and lights, and gingerbread. Gingy. Actually, I called this guy Cinnabon. So let's see how they look on the baubles. I've not long had my inhaler, so I still feel a little bit shaky, which is part of asthma life. Let's try the robin first. So cute. Okay. Now, maybe I want to trim this off a little bit more. So while I'm pulling these together, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to just catch up with you on these vlogs. I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to journey this with me. I've really been enjoying uploading these weekly art vlogs behind the scenes, sharing my creative journey with you. It's amazing to see how much there is still to learn, and I'm excited to keep growing and experimenting with each video. So if you're enjoying these vlogs, it would mean a whole lot if you could give it a thumbs up or share it with a friend. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. What was your favourite Christmas bauble? And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more of these in your feed. Your support means the world, and I love hearing from you all. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. don't try this at home. These are still a little bit warm, but I'm too excited, so I'm going to try and make sure I get gloves for the future. Oh my gosh, look, guys. Okay, so it's I love it. I actually love this. What do we think? Got some gold ribbon that we can create for the handle, but these look really cute. Oh my days, I'm excited. Oh, which one next? The berries and the robin. Oh my days. The gingerbread. So the verdict is the Christmas tree probably turned out the best. Really happy with that. The robin sadly didn't make it very well. I don't know what happened. Maybe there wasn't enough pressure. There's still too much ink on the paper, not enough on the ceramic. Maybe I shouldn't have put them all in at the same time. This one, same thing happened, sadly. So we need to perfect these two here. But I'm pretty happy with these three, other than the fact that this had somehow managed to get a bit of the paper stuck to it. So when it's fully cooled down, I'll see if I can scrape that off. But I'm not unhappy with the pudding. So yeah, gingerbread pudding and the Christmas one. I probably will keep this for myself, this one, but yeah. First time attempt printing my designs onto ceramic Christmas baubles. Not bad. This definitely turned out to be the best so far. These have turned out so cute. So I'm testing it with the gold. I'm testing it with the gold here, the gold ribbon. But to be honest, I think what I'll do is I'll change it for maybe twine. Well, hello. It is the next day from when we left off last night. I did just make myself a hot chocolate, which I've popped down here. I'm going to take the next half hour to do some work on Frame Your World before I stop for dinner and probably stop for the evening. I came in this morning and worked on updating my fair website, which is the website I sell through wholesale. Then I don't know why it took so long to say that. Fair website, which is the website that I sell wholesale through. I have a link to that in the bio if you are keen to check that out. I need to update the product listings for the new Christmas baubles and some other pieces for the Christmas collection. I was hoping to have that launched today, but I haven't quite managed to do that. So my goal will be to have that out by midweek. I cannot wait to take some photos of the Christmas baubles. I've got them here. Really pleased with how they turned out. However, I am not loving the gold ribbon that I have So I think I'm going to order some more tonight, and then it means I'll probably need to take the photos for those listings tomorrow. We can try and do that before work or maybe lunchtime. That could be the task. So, anyway, we crack on, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for some more orders coming through. So, we need to pack some Shopify orders. We've got some orders for Not on the High Street and a few other custom requests that I need to process too. So, I'm going to crack on with that. I will meet you in the vlog next week. Thanks again for joining me. Let me know if you like the Christmas baubles and which one is your favourite below. And until next week, keep creating, stay curious.